From Molars to Monuments, a journey through dental history. Teeth of the Pharaohs, dental care in ancient Egypt. Welcome to From Molars to Monuments. In this episode, how the ancient Egyptians cared for teeth, where medicine, magic, and ingenuity converge. Hesy-Ra appears to have been among the world's first named dental practitioners, a testament to how seriously the Egyptians took oral health. Daily life was tough on teeth. The sand in their bread acted like sandpaper. Ironically, too few sweeteners meant fewer cavities. Their instruments were ahead of the age: metal tools for drilling and extraction, and fillings made from natural materials. Some skulls even show tooth replacements, not sure if for the living or for their journey to the afterlife. Dentistry wasn't just physical, oral health was also spiritual. Amulets and prayers stood guard against toothache, and the Ebers Papyrus even lists dental remedies alongside magical formulas. Although techniques have changed over time, the Egyptians laid an important foundation, blending medicine, spirituality, and careful practice, that influenced dental care in the civilizations that followed. Let's test your knowledge. Here are a few quick questions about what you just learned. See how many you can get right before we reveal the answers. Who is considered the world's first known dentist, recorded in ancient Egypt? The correct answer is B. Hesy-Ra, a high official in the 3rd dynasty who held the title, Great One of the Dentists. Why did ancient Egyptians suffer from extreme tooth wear? The correct answer is B. Their bread contained sand and stone fragments from grinding grain, which wore down their teeth like sandpaper. What materials were ancient Egyptian dental tools commonly made from? The correct answer is B. Copper, bronze, and quartz, used for cleaning, drilling, and even extractions. What unusual combination was part of Egyptian dental care? The correct answer is A. Magic and medicine. Egyptians used practical treatments alongside amulets and spells to ward off tooth pain. How did you do? Whether you got them all right or learned something new, you now know how ancient Egypt shaped the roots of dentistry. Stay tuned for the next episode of From Molars to Monuments. Thanks for joining us in exploring ancient Egyptian dentistry. Next time on From Molars to Monuments, how the Greeks carved a path to modern dentistry.